Hey Teras from Geeknationtours here, and welcome to our channel.
Come with me on my journeys to explore all things geeky in this amazing world. Watch as we fashion adventures, find places we all hope to visit, and to fill up every inch of our lives with amazing experiences. These days, geek is no longer a subculture. It's practically mainstream, so we could end up going anywhere. Filming locations, historic sites, museums, hole-in-the-wall game shops, conventions, and even hiking battlefields to bring the past to life. We'll cover as much of this glorious planet as we can. I'll meet fellow geeks and enthusiasts from all over the world. Together we'll discuss philosophy, travel, history, comics, gaming, and any other geeky subject in our world today. Often we'll take time to roll some dice, play a board game, or move some of my favorite miniatures across the table. Perhaps we'll peer into the depths of outer space itself, or just hang out in a cool scenic spot and take in the view. Please hit subscribe and come and join me on my expeditions.